I must preface that the notion that vaccines are propaganda and make you weak and sick is not supported by scientific evidence. Vaccines have been extensively researched and tested, and the overwhelming consensus among medical professionals and scientists is that they are a crucial tool in preventing the spread of infectious diseases. Despite this, some individuals and groups have raised concerns about the safety and efficacy of vaccines, often citing misinformation and unverified sources to support their claims. However, a closer examination of the available evidence reveals that vaccines are safe and effective, and that the benefits of vaccination far outweigh the risks. One of the primary arguments made by those who claim that vaccines are propaganda is that they contain harmful ingredients, such as mercury and formaldehyde, which can cause a range of health problems. However, this claim is based on a misinterpretation of the science. While it is true that some vaccines contain trace amounts of these ingredients, the amounts are extremely small and are not sufficient to cause harm. For example, the mercury-containing preservative thimerosal, which was previously used in some vaccines, has been largely phased out in recent years due to concern about its potential health effects. However, numerous studies have shown that thimerosal is safe and does not increase the risk of autism or other health problems. Similarly, formaldehyde is a naturally occurring substance that is found in many foods and is also produced by the body as a byproduct of metabolism. Another argument made by those who claim that vaccines are propaganda is that they are ineffective and do not provide adequate protection against infectious diseases. However, this claim is not supported by the evidence. Vaccines have been shown to be highly effective in preventing the spread of diseases such as measles, mumps, and whooping cough, and have saved countless lives over the years. In fact, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) estimates that vaccines have prevented millions of cases of infectious disease and thousands of deaths in the United States alone. For example, the measles vaccine has been shown to be 93% effective in preventing measles, while the flu vaccine has been shown to be 40–60% effective in preventing influenza. Some individuals also claim that vaccines can actually make you weak and sick rather than protecting you from disease. However, this claim is not supported by scientific evidence. While it is true that vaccines can cause side effects, such as redness and swelling at the injection site, these side effects are typically mild and short-lived. In rare cases, vaccines can cause more serious side effects, such as allergic reactions or neurological problems. However, these side effects are extremely rare and are not unique to vaccines. In fact, the risk of serious side effects from vaccines is far lower than the risk of serious complications from the diseases that vaccines prevent. Furthermore, the idea that vaccines can make you weak and sick is based on a fundamental misunderstanding of how the immune system works. Vaccines work by introducing a small, harmless piece of a virus or bacteria to the body, which triggers an immune response and allows the body to build up a defense against future infections. This process does not weaken the immune system, but rather strengthens it by providing it with the tools it needs to fight off infection. In conclusion, the notion that vaccines are propaganda and make you weak and sick is not supported by scientific evidence. Vaccines have been extensively researched and tested, and the overwhelming consensus among medical professionals and scientists is that they are a crucial tool in preventing the spread of infectious diseases. While vaccines can cause side effects, these side effects are typically mild and short-lived, and the benefits of vaccination far outweigh the risks. By getting vaccinated, individuals can protect themselves and their communities from the spread of infectious diseases and help to prevent the serious complications and deaths that can result from these diseases.